through how to put a question box on your Instagram story and ask questions. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Start off by creating a story on Instagram. So all you need to do is from the home page is go to the top right and click on the plus button and then story, or alternatively click on the home button, swipe across like so. You can then go and take a picture like so, or alternatively on the left you can go and click on the create button as well. And then all you need to do is go to the top and go and click on the sticker button, just like this. And then all you need to do is go and click on the questions option. You should go and see questions here, or click on search and go and search for questions as well. And you can click on it. And then what you can do is go and place it where you want. And as you can see, viewers can respond with text, a photo, or a video. And then what you can do is go and put it on your story like so. And then when you click on your story, it will take a moment to upload. You can then see what questions people have asked by swiping up on it. And once you've had viewers and responses, they'll go and appear here. And you can then go and reply to the questions. It's that simple. So if you guys found this useful and you want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.